So Ting Chao.
Yes.
Hi, Ting
Hi,
Chao.
Kathy.
Hi. So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
So
Thank you for.
very welcome. So read what you've written.
Yes. Do you suggest someone to do the work the moment when he or she feels upset about something or someone?
Well, I suggest it, yes, if you're able to. And if not, just just do it when you can. Just do it as you can. And when you're upset with someone and you're unable to, what I suggest is that you are aware you need a worksheet and that it's not a situation where you're able to do that. And then, out of that understanding, be as kind as you possibly can. Be as gentle and kind as you possibly can. Even if you're angry and losing your temper and, at its worst, just notice and just be as kind as you can. And it's okay if you can or you can't. All we can do is try to be as kind as we can. That way, we do less harm and we have less judge your neighbor worksheets to do later. Okay,
Thank you.
and then when you say how do you do the work in the middle of a hard discussion, I think that just for me, if I to excuse myself as politely as possible, leave the room, write a worksheet and question what I'm believing, those thoughts on the worksheet, or just do the best that I can not to hurt the person or the people that I'm with, and then do as little harm as possible and do my worksheet later.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. Again,
Ex-
thank you for writing.
Thank you.
Bye.
Excellent advice. Bye bye.
Bye, Ting Chao.